Today we're gonna be changing the angle kit because I got a new angle kit from Odessa CNC and they're made from full steel and not the cheap aluminum ones, which are way lighter too. And I've seen a lot of people break these, so I decided to upgrade to the Odessa CNC angle kit. You can definitely feel that this one is way heavier and stronger than the cheap aluminum one from AliExpress. Also need to change the outer tie rod because the angle kit doesn't fit on it. So this hole here is way smaller. So these are the outer tie rods. This is, I have no idea what side this is. See, they're designed for this angle outer tie rod and they just fit. So that is nice. They are about the same length. Yeah, they're about the same length. So I'm gonna install the outer tie rod right now and I will update you in a few minutes. I installed the outer tie rod and it doesn't hit anything. So yesterday you guys have seen me install the angle kit and it's installed on both sides now. And tomorrow we're gonna get an alignment, and right now I'm also gonna pick up a new BC coilover kit. I mean, not new, but a used one. So we're also gonna finally replace those old Chinese max speeding rods because the rear shocks are blown out. So the whole car is just bouncing on the truck. And I found a used pair of BC coilover kit for the Lexus IS200 with also stiffer springs, which is good for drifting. And tomorrow we're gonna go align this car and the BMW, and Sunday we're gonna go drifting. I'm also gonna try to drift on the 10J wide wheels, see how it will do. So let's go and pick up the body kit. Sheesh, look at this. So we got the new coilovers, so it's time to install it right now. Pretty good condition, even the springs not rusted. I'm so happy I got finally a BC coilover kit because I'm so sick and tired of the cheap Chinese coilovers that are blown out, bumpy, not stable at all. I was really getting sick of the cheap Chinese ones, so I'm not gonna talk anymore and just install the coilovers. It's 10:45 and I just finished installing the coilovers. It's almost 11 p.m. and I'm tired. I still didn't put on the wheels. I don't know how low it will sit. I might need to raise it a bit. I hope not. But this will be way better than a max speeding coilovers. I'm gonna put the wheels on and lower it on the floor and see how low it will sit. The wheels are installed and it's time for the reveal now. My guess is that the front coilovers need to get raised because it already fits only 2 fingers in the air. So I think when I will lower it, that it will be too low. And so as I thought, the front coilovers need to get raised a bit because it's just completely tucked in. It's literally completely tucked in. What the heck? It's so low that I can't even get it off the jack. It's about 1 finger of space on every wheel arch, which is, in my opinion, perfect for drifting. But this is it for today. See you tomorrow at the alignment shop. So the cars just got alignment at Klippel Bonde, and they're aligned very good now, so we're prepared for tomorrow. I just need to replace my water pump because it's leaking, and I also broke my bumper. I broke it loose. I was driving off the ramp and one of the wooden blocks broke, and then my bumper fell on the floor. So yeah.